Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me HP Officejet Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to connect this printer to the Wi-Fi network. To connect Officejet Pro 6960 to the network, you need to open the settings. To open settings, you need to open the control panel and find settings. Then find network setup, wireless settings. You need to enable wireless if you have disabled. For example, now I have disabled the wireless, but you need to enable it. So enable the wireless, scroll down, find wireless setup wizard. Click on it. Then scroll down, find here the network you need to connect. As you can see, this printer is now detecting the networks with 5.0 GHz standard. This printer can get access to the 2.4 GHz routers only. So then click touch or enter and enter your password. Oops, I have clicked in the bad place. So enter a password, click OK, and wait a while. Great, connection successful. Click OK, and as you can see, the network button is constantly lights blue. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.